Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making banana bread at home from scratch. So the first thing you want to do is you want to peel your bananas. Make sure you don't leave any extra banana skin on the banana. Just like that. Do that with the second one as well. And now you want to grab a simple old fork and just start mashing the bananas. So after you've mashed your bananas, what you want to do is you want to mix the salt and the salt and the baking soda together. And you also want to mix the butter. Pour the butter in, mix it around. So once you have all this mixed up, one consistent, blob, you want to add the sugar, the egg, the vanilla extract. You want to mix this up before adding the flour. Mix it in real nice. Again, until it's one consistent lump. Charlie! A little more. It's time to try the banana bread. It's very nice. Delicious.